Saturday is launch day for us, and I'm in my first year here at IYRS. And so we've been working on these beetle cats for the past, I don't know, 7 to 9 months, basically since October. And they're finally getting their finishing touches to go in the water, which is super exciting.
Not really thinking too much about the emotional, you know, more just kind of like, am I gonna get this done or not?
Just feels amazing. Big sense of it's great to actually have done something where you built it all by hand, did everything yourself, and it's just a great feeling.
I try to remember back to 9 months ago, and we came in here and we were trying to sort of get our bearings and doing simple bench joints, and then you look back at some of the stuff that's still in my bench right now, and you look at that and you look at this, and they're worlds apart.
Right now we were just wrapping up all the final like finishing touches, a little bit of hardware, some painting, and then just making everything look nice.
Yeah, for a year I've been working on this beetle cat, and I'm really excited to see it launch on Saturday. There's a lot of work, a lot of my soul's in it, but it's looking good.
Heck of an experience. There's been a lot of work, a lot of frustration, a lot of problem solving, and just looking forward to seeing the finished product out on the water and take it out for a sail and go out with the team and kind of bring this whole thing to fruition.